What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna make some peanut brittle in the microwave. First thing I'm gonna do, got a cup of peanuts. These are raw peanuts. Cup of sugar. Half a cup light Caro syrup. Okay, you notice I have this in a glass bowl because if you put it in a plastic bowl, it will most likely melt. Look at that. You want to get every bit of that Caro syrup out of there. I think that's good enough. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave. Wait. First I'm going to add a dash of salt. Microwave time. 4 minutes. That's 4 minutes. Alright, first 4 minute cook time is done. Now it's time to stir in a tablespoon of margarine. Let me get this sucker out. Come on, man. Hope I don't drop this. There we go. Margarine, 1 tablespoon. Oh man, I'm gonna hold this camera with my chin. Try to get this done.
Matt.
Drop my butter. Ow! Ow! I get slapped in the butt. Woo-hoo. Tablespoon of butter. Time to stir it in. What the heck?
When you put your...
We're putting a little extra Caro in there. Back in the microwave. 4 minutes. Time to stir it.
dummy.
Alright, I have it out of the microwave. I'm going to stir it. The peanuts aren't brown. Okay, if your peanuts are not browned up, you might need to put it in for longer. Alright, I'm going to cook it for a little bit longer. Till the peanuts are browning up. I gotta stir it in the middle. See, these peanuts are raw. You gotta cook them. While we wait, I'm gonna spray this Pam onto this pan, because this is where we're gonna spread our peanut brittle out on to cool. Now I'm stirring it. Sugar melts at 186 degrees Celsius. Very hot. Here you notice our peanuts are browned up nice. So we're going to add a spoonful of, what is that? Vanilla. And then a spoonful of baking soda. Now we're going to stir it up till it's frothy. Too bad you don't have smell-o-vision. Now we pour it on our previously prepared pan. No light here. There you go. Keep pouring. Yeah, I like to cook right here. Someone else doing it. Oh no. Abandon your post. What you gotta do is spread this stuff out before it dries, otherwise you have a giant blob. Spread it. Spread it. Get that spread out. Okay, now we have a Texas-sized piece of peanut brittle for the large appetites. Alright, YouTube. So we've let it cool for about 30 minutes or until it's hardened, and you can pick up this Texas-sized peanut brittle without it bending and just break it down to whatever size pieces you want. Boom.